Hello everyone, this is my first video on YouTube and my name is Kaval and I have learned makeup all by myself. I never been to any of the makeup institute to learn. So in today's video I'll explain how to do a normal natural base makeup for your everyday, whether you want to go to office, how to look a full-fledged glam but with the minimal products. So let's get started. Recently I have purchased some of the few products which are very common and very viral all over social media, so I want to try some of the products, so I ordered them from Sephora and let me show you what I got. So first one is the water bank. It's Laneige blue hydrating cream moisturizer. I have heard so much about this product on Instagram or all over social media and I have to give it a try. So it's a kind of a moisturizer which will make your skin looks hydrated, and this is the package looks like. It's a little cute, a jelly based moisturizer, and stencil of the product. Actually it's looking good. Let me apply. Skin looks good actually. I like it. And also I got this Cloudy serum. It makes our skin looks flawless, and this is for face, neck, and it contains 97% of complexion visibility zone out. So I have to try this. It comes in this package. How cute the bottle is. Let's open it. It's so expensive. I don't want to waste a single drop of it. So for my base, I always apply this Embroilles cream. It's a moisturizing cream and it is dermatologist approved. So you can skip this step because the product which I purchased back in India, this is the real base Swiss Beauty. I am using this product since last 3 years. And give your skin a little 2 minutes break because you want all the moisturizer you have applied to the skin to get absorbed into the skin, and then you have to apply the products. Okay, so my skin is all set and now I am using my all-time favorite Dior foundation shade 4N, and it's my exact shade match. Second main step in my makeup is not the concealer because I don't have, touch wood, I don't have dark circles, but I'll jump into blush. So I'm using the Rare Beauty blush under shade Happy. Always use HUDA Beauty banana powder. Of heavy concealer under my eyes, I always prefer to go with the MORPHE powder. In the shade is Brightening Pink. It always makes my eyes under eyes look brighten, but I always use it with brush and just under my eye. It will instantly make the eyes look bright. Let me set my eyebrows. For lip liner, I'm using its Annabelle lip liner. I don't know the shade, but it's very nice pretty brown color. For lip shade, I'll go with Maybelline Teddy Tint in the shade Knee High. This is one of the best ever lip shade. I'm okay with the eyes, but I just want to make some neutral color to the eyes, so I'm using this MORPHE palette, and I'm using the lightest shade over my eyes, just this one. The best mascara in the market is Sky High by Maybelline, so I'll be using this mascara. Let's have some jewelry. So this is my final look, and let me know what you think about this look. Thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me. See you guys soon in my next video. Bye bye.